Hello everybody, my name is Brody and welcome back to the channel and the fourth tutorial in our Roblox scripting tutorial series. In this tutorial we will be learning about variables, what they are, how to use them, and without further ado let's just get started. But before we start, make sure you like and subscribe and let's go. So a variable is basically something that stores a value, something that stores data. So to make a variable you would do local and then you can call this anything you want. So local BloxyDev equals, and you can make it equal anything. You can make any value for it. So let's just say 5. So now BloxyDev is the same as 5. So if I go ahead and do print BloxyDev, in the output down here, it will say 5. Where is it? Yeah, 5. See that? Let me zoom in a bit. You can also do stuff like local BloxyDev2 equals 10, let's say, and then we can do print BloxyDev plus BloxyDev2, and this will make 15 in the output because you're adding these two values together, these two variables together. Yep, 15. If I place down a part, which we should have learned about already, this is a part, yeah? It's in the game.workspace and then .part. If we want to change the transparency of a part, you would do game.workspace.part. Actually, no, let's change like if it's anchored or not. Part.anchored equals false. But then what if you want to change every loads and loads of properties? It'll be a lot of work. So variables are used definitely to kind of make things simpler, but they're also used for other stuff that we'll get on to later on in the series. So instead of writing game.workspace.part.transparency equals 0.5 or whatever you're doing, you can write local, let's just call it something random like my part, equals game.workspace.part. No, we don't need another dot. So now my part is the same as game.workspace.part. So now if we go ahead and do my part dot let's say position equals vector3 dot new, and then we can make it 10, 15, 10. So my part dot position is the same as just saying game.workspace.part dot position, but we've made it shorter and easier to understand, which is cool. So remember, you have to do local and then you can put anything you want, as long as it doesn't begin with a number and as long as it doesn't have this space in it, it will work as a variable. Next time we'll be moving on to functions, where it gets a bit more interesting and a bit more fun. But apart from that, I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.